In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Roblox error 600 on mobile. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it might say something like, you were banned from this experience by the creator. Here's a message from the creator. You created or used an account to avoid an enforcement action taken against another account by the creator of this experience. So sometimes this can happen due to a bug. It might not actually be someone banning you, or it actually might be, the creator of a game kicking you out and banning you from their game. But it's actually very simple to go ahead and fix this. So let's say let's say it's this game right here, How to Train Your Dragon. Let's say this is the one I'm having issues with. All I want to do is scroll down. It's going to show me a lot of different things. So it's going to show me the developer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose a game that's not made by a massive studio or corporation. So I'm going to do something like Race Clicker right here. Then I want to scroll down and I'm going to see 48-hour games as the developer. Let's say this is the one I'm banned in. So what I want to go ahead and do is you're going to see join community. So press that, then press view community once you've joined it. Now from here, there's going to be a wall, and in this wall, you can basically go ahead and say something. So whenever you're banned in whatever game you're playing, you want to make sure you join that wall, and you want to say something like, I got the, error 600. Can this be lifted, please? And, you just apologize if you actually did something wrong. And then, you just got to post it, and then they should get back to you within like 24 to 48 hours. So about 1 or 2 days, and then you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos on the channel too.